Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimerayvonne, and today I'm here with a very highly requested video. So many YouTubers say that and it's not the truth, but I promise you guys this video is highly requested. Literally anytime I do a skin video, or really just me in general, I get at least 20 comments of people asking for a skincare routine. So here it is. The first product that I'm going to be using is the Soap & Glory Vitamin C Facial Wash. I purchased this from Ulta. I'm going to make sure that I have the link down below for you guys because I'm not sure exactly how much it is. But I've been using this since the summertime and it works pretty good on my skin. It has these little exfoliating beads which help to wake you up, and it just makes your skin feel revitalized. And I know a lot of dermatologists don't recommend these, but I use a knockoff spin brush to wash my face. I thought I was cute by buying one that you had to charge and all that stuff, but I got too lazy to charge it and I just use it manually, and I use that to wash my face. Even though it's not recommended, I really feel like it helps to get all of the excess dirt, grit, grime, and sometimes makeup off your face. I wash my face with this face wash for about 1 to 2 minutes, and I re-wet the spin brush in the middle of doing it just so that I can get more soapy. If you guys have been following me for a while, I did used to do a strictly organic only skincare routine, but I heard so many great things about this Soap & Glory face wash and I decided to give it a try. And ever since I've been doing this routine, guys, I have not had any eczema flare-ups all winter. So if it is packed with chemicals, which I hope it's not, they have not been negatively affecting my skin, and my skin loves this routine and every single product that you guys are going to be seeing. My skin absolutely loves, and I've been doing this routine for about 6 months now. I like to wash my face in the shower just because it's easier for me and your pores are already open. Once you're done washing your face, you want to go ahead with a white washcloth. Once again, some people have mixed feelings about using washcloths, but I feel like it's a necessity when you're washing your face. Just rinsing it with your hands is not going to get up all of the dirt and dead skin off of your face, so you need to use a gritty white washcloth to get everything up. And I don't ever hear anybody talking about cleaning their ears on their skincare face care videos, but look, clean your ears after you wash your face. Sometimes I put soap on the washcloth, sometimes I don't, but clean your ears every day, especially if you have a lot of piercings. Take the washcloth, clean the outside of your ears, clean in the crevices of your ears, clean the inside of your ears, clean behind your ears, clean behind your neck. You need to be cleaning all of that whenever you wash your face every day, okay? Because nobody wants to smell no stinky ears. Well, I'm done washing my face now, so it's time to moisturize. Y'all, this video is so raw. Like, look at how dirty my skincare drawer is. Like, I wanted to organize it for you guys so that you can see something pretty and nicely display all of my products, but that did not happen. So this is what my skincare drawer looks like. I have so many products in here, but to moisturize my face, I keep it very, very simple, and I only use 3 things. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face with some aloe vera juice. I purchased my aloe vera from Walmart. You can honestly get it from anywhere. It is all the same, but I love to spritz my face with aloe vera after I wash my face. It helps with acne, it helps with your complexion, it just helps you stay beautiful. Aloe is the answer to everything. I use it all over my body and especially on my face every single day. I need my aloe. Alright guys, this next product that I'm using to moisturize my face is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair. It has the colloidal, don't quote me y'all, I don't know how to say this word, but basically it has oatmeal in it that helps with psoriasis, rosacea, eczema, and that's what caught my eye. So I decided to give it a try. December before last, what year was that? I don't really remember, but I've had this for a year, 2018. Bought it December 2018 from Ulta. I've been using it ever since, and my skin absolutely loves it. And then to seal all of this moisture in, I'm just gonna go in with some jojoba oil. And if you guys did not know, jojoba oil is the oil that is closest to your skin's natural sebum, so your skin will not have a big reaction to it if you are somebody who is not used to putting oil on your face. I put oil on my face every single day. My skin loves it, my skin soaks it up, my skin needs it. So I put jojoba oil on my face. I have tried vitamin E and all these other oils, but jojoba is always my go-to. It's my favorite because it's not heavy and it does not clog my pores. So it's that easy. I gave you guys all of the secrets to my skincare routine. You guys saw me wash my face, tone my face, moisturize my face, and put some oil on my face. That is all I do every single day to keep my skin popping and glowing like this. So I hope it was worth the wait, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.